Do you ever wonder what separates the person you are today from the person you dream of becoming? Maybe you feel stuck, like your efforts to improve aren't enough. Here's the truth. Becoming a better person doesn't require massive changes overnight. It's about small, intentional habits you can build every single day. These habits might seem simple, but over time, they'll transform your mindset, relationships, and how you approach life. In today's video, we're revealing 6 daily habits that can truly make you a better person. Ready to start your transformation? Let's dive in. Being a better person isn't about being perfect. It's about progress, taking consistent, small steps to improve yourself and how you interact with the world. These 6 habits are designed to help you grow emotionally, mentally, and socially. They'll help you strengthen your character, boost your self-awareness, and enhance your relationships with others. By adopting these habits, you'll become not only better for yourself, but also for the people around you. Let's explore these life-changing daily practices. 6. Start each day with gratitude. Your mindset at the start of the day sets the tone for everything that follows. Spend just 5 minutes each morning listing 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's your health, the sunshine, or a supportive friend. Writing them down or saying them aloud shifts your focus from what's wrong in your life to what's going right. Gratitude rewires your brain to notice the positives, reducing stress and boosting your happiness. Over time, this habit will help you become a more optimistic and compassionate person. 5. Practice active listening. When you talk to someone, are you truly listening, or are you just waiting for your turn to speak? Active listening means fully focusing on the person speaking, without distractions or judgments. It's about making eye contact, nodding, and asking thoughtful questions to show you understand. This habit strengthens relationships because it makes others feel valued and heard. Plus, it helps you learn from different perspectives, deepening your empathy and emotional intelligence. The next time someone talks to you, give them your undivided attention. You'll be surprised at how much it improves your connection. 4. Perform one act of kindness daily. Kindness is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to improve yourself and your world. Each day, look for one small way to help someone else. It could be holding the door for a stranger, complimenting a coworker, or calling a loved one just to check in. Acts of kindness not only brighten someone else's day, but also boost your own mood. They release feel-good hormones like oxytocin and serotonin, creating a ripple effect of positivity. Over time, this habit will make you more selfless, compassionate, and approachable. 3. Reflect on your day before bed. Before you go to sleep, spend a few minutes reflecting on your day. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? What could I have done better? Self-reflection is key to personal growth because it helps you identify patterns, celebrate progress, and learn from mistakes. Write your thoughts in a journal if you can. It's a great way to track your growth over time. This habit builds self-awareness, making you more intentional about how you act and react in daily life. 2. Set small, achievable goals. Big dreams are built on small steps. Each morning, set 1 or 2 small goals for the day. Maybe it's drinking more water, completing a task you've been avoiding, or spending quality time with a loved one. Achieving these goals gives you a sense of accomplishment, boosting your confidence and motivation. Over time, you'll see how these small wins add up to big changes. This habit trains your mind to focus on progress rather than perfection, making you more disciplined and resilient. 1. Limit negative self-talk. The way you talk to yourself shapes how you view the world and your place in it. Negative self-talk, thoughts like, "I'm not good enough" or "I'll never succeed," drains your confidence and motivation. Combat this by challenging negative thoughts and replacing them with constructive ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I failed," say, "I'm learning, and I'll do better next time." This habit takes practice, but it's worth it. Positive self-talk builds self-esteem, helping you become more confident and resilient in the face of challenges. These 6 habits might seem simple, but their impact can be life-changing. Gratitude helps you start the day on a positive note. Active listening deepens your connections with others. Kindness creates ripples of positivity. Reflection helps you learn and grow. Setting small goals keeps you motivated, and positive self-talk strengthens your mindset. So, which habit will you start with? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and share it with someone who's ready to become their best self. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Brain Talks for more transformative insights. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Start building the life you deserve today.